It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longacre Elementary School, home of the Leopards in Farmington, Michigan, and got to speak now for a fourth year in a row, fourth visit, different topic today. It was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And it's an awesome, not my capstone course I'd call it, or assembly, but it really does kind of touch into all these different habits, this being a habit school, leader in me school, putting first things first, thinking win-win, just synergizing, working as a team, but really that eighth one, which is finding your voice, and that's really our purpose, right? And so at a young age, to already understand or start to get the wheels turning, that we can make a difference, right? Every action, every word, no matter how small, can make a difference. That means that we are turning our gifts, our passions, what we're good at, our talents, our abilities, that thing that brings us that fire, makes us come alive, into our purpose, which is to help others, right? And Dr. King said, life's most important question basically is, what are you doing for others, right? Not just thinking about ourselves, but being able to put people first and things second, right? Make our priorities our friends, our families, our goals, our dreams, our passions, and then living that out and starting to, help the students all around us. And the couple examples that I gave them, one related to a boy that loves basketball, one a girl that loves sports, and they're going to use those to help other younger students learn new sports drills with the sport of basketball, and in terms of the reading efficiency, help the younger students, with that ability. So, it's just cool to kind of start to see where each of these students, they're always have some type of hobby or something that, really kind of just makes them feel that they're worth something, but also, going to make an impact on those around them, and to see them utilizing the things that they're good at to uplift others. That's always so inspiring to me. And the shirt that I wear for this assembly is the multicolor peace sign. There's different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead by example. We're more quiet, strength type of leaders. Some of us lead by our voice, more vocal leaders. I'm a loud leader, I talk a lot. But there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this planet. And it also has the heart that you see here, because that is where our passion lies. So we've always talked about in the past, looking at someone's heart first, but also seeing this in others as well. And if we do see this, their value, talking about the miracle concept here, the M on all of our hands, we have at least one M on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle. Us believing that we are first and foremost, right? And then going and see that in others. That's what makes us want to help others, right? To know that they need to be raised up as well and built up, right? And we do that through our different character, our foundations, being like the bowling ball, a person that's strong with values, has good morals, right? But also upside down, this is for worthy. And so we know that in our heart of hearts, that we can go and be that change that we want to see for this world, and know that when we're thinking about what we want to be remembered for, right, which is our legacy, hopefully it's like someone's helping hands, right? And that we are seeing those around us, and knowing that when we're doing the right thing, we're doing it even when no one's watching, right? Having that integrity piece built into our lives, it's so important, because obviously we're not gonna have people around us every day, all day, watching our every move, but we still know right versus wrong. And to have the courage to stand up to do what's right, that's huge. And to also know that things we're doing that are positive, you might not get money for, you might get a certificate or plaque or award for, or a trophy for, but we're still doing it because it is the right thing to do. So thank you all for touching my heart. It's another beautiful day here at Longacre, and just so many hearts touched, mine as well. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.